This is how powerful something called lru-cache is from functools. Now check this out. All right, right now this is about how long it takes, well, I misspelled calculation, to basically achieve what's called the golden ratio using something called the Fibonacci sequence, which is, you see those numbers right there. Currently I have it running. If you see, basically it's taken longer and longer to calculate each sequence. Now check this out. All right, this is on IBM Watson, by the way, and I have to thank Socratic Youtube Channel for showing me this. And here we go. Now we're going to use something called lru-cache, lru-cache from functools, and we're going to run 1,000 calculations. See, 1, 2, 3, run, and there it goes. Now look how fast this calculates. This is 1,000 calculations in 2.52 seconds. Pretty cool. Hope you found it interesting. Get lru-cache from functools. Catch you in a bit. Bye.